Hello again, panel. Let me walk you through FinGPT's MVP in action. This is the landing page of our product where the users will come across the About section of our product, that is FinGPT, which is a conversational financial AI model, along with its services and the contact us page. From here, the user can get started into the sign up or login page. We already have our user email ID and password. So we will simply write the email and password and get logged in into our product. And as you know already, the product is FinGPT, which is a conversational AI model that will be used to answer the questions of investors regarding financial market data or any personalized queries. So as you can see that this is the chat interface page where there is a history section, and you can also select which kinds of models you want to use. As of now, there are two, Gemini 2.0 Flash and normal Gemini, and there is a profile section page. Here, the user can write queries and our model will answer accordingly. So the system or approach is that the queries that user writes will actually get classified into four types of intents. Either the user is giving a greeting, or the user is asking for some generalized educational query, or the user is asking for some personalized advice, or the user is asking for some real-time market data. And else, other all things that the user asks will be considered on a broad spectrum, and those are basically delisted from our AI model or Gemini model rather. So our Gemini model will not answer to those queries. So if we start, first we are greeting with some hello, and as we give. So yeah, you can also see that there is a microphone option which can use by the users to give some audio enabled queries. So the answer is given, hello, my name is FinGPT made by Team Sniders. Next, if we go to some personalized query, we can write fetch my portfolio. And as we write this, our model, which is basically an personalized AI agent executor that will fetch our portfolio from the MongoDB database as of now. And you can see that presently we have 78 shares of Apple, 65 shares of Tesla, and etc. Similarly, this is a personalized query. There can be a query about real-time market data, like the compare the current stock prices of Meta and Google. If we give this, and the model will again this time there will be a separate market agent which will take real-time market data from Y Finance, compare it, and accordingly give the answer that the current stock price of Meta is $504 per share, while that for Google is $147. You can cross verify that it is actually giving the real-time data from Google, and for this we are actually using Y Finance. And lastly, we can ask for some generalized query like how to start with stock market, which is basically educational query to be asked by any new beginner investor or some person. And our model, which is basically Gemini 2.0 Flash model, will think and give you the best path on how to start. It will give you deep analytics on how to do what to do, and accordingly, you can follow the advices. Next, you can also check that our models are multilingual, which means it can also answer your English queries. If you see, it is capable of giving answers to your English values, which is coming as follows. So yeah, you see here the model actually gives the answer in Hindi now. And lastly, one thing that we want to show is that if we write something like that is not related to finance, our model will just simply and politely refuse to answer those queries. As you see, I'm sorry, I can only answer queries about market data. And this is one aspect. Uh, if some user wants to see how real-time market data or stock data for some particular stock like Meta or Nvidia is actually performing graphically or visually, that person can simply come here, give the stock name, the monitoring interval, and write start monitoring. And as you can see, the person is getting real-time Google Analytical candlestick graph from various sources. Basically, we have used Plotly for this. And yeah, this is the basic MVP of our product, FinGPT, which is aiming to revolutionize the finance and AI stock trading sectors for investors. Thank you, panel. We are Team Sniders, and this is our product, FinGPT.